Hello everyone. A few months back, I registered this domain name getwellness.shop because that time I came to know that wellness related industries will be having huge growth potential in the coming days. Okay. But anyway, right now I don't have any direct wellness related business. So I thought of just registering the domain and selling it to the potential buyers. Okay. But I found it difficult to reach the potential buyers. So at time being, I'm just start adding content into this domain. Okay, I just set up WordPress website and started adding some blog posts and set up WooCommerce plugin for adding products. I'm just looking for affiliate products. Anyway, my primary focus is selling the domain itself. Time being, I will be just for exploring the things. I'll be adding some products. Okay. And apart from that, I added this chatbot also. I created with Gemini. Here it is fully optimized for wellness related discussions. Okay. And while doing the discussion, it will be recommending the related products also. Suppose if you are in wellness industry, this kind of approach will be really useful for making good sales as well as providing value to the visitors. Okay. So it will be giving wellness tips as well as it will be recommending the products. Okay. So if we click this, it will take to my product. So I think this approach will be really useful, and I have a lot of plans for improving this chatbot. But for me, doing marketing and promotion is a bit difficult because right now I'm fully focusing on my AI related course, right? And if you want to set up this kind of chatbot or any kind of AI related applications for your business, you can contact me. Okay, thanks. Bye.